board. Okay, can you read this one?
Mr. Brown and the Mouse.
Very good, Mr. Brown and the mouse. 2 boxes for Zahra. Can you read this one?
One day, Mr. Brown found a little mouse under his couch.
Couch. Very good. One day, Mr. Brown found a little mouse under his couch. Another 2 boxes for Zahra. 1, 2. Okay, next one. Can you read this one?
Round and round the cows, the mouse ran.
Round and round the couch, the mouse ran. Another 2 boxes. Ingat bunyi couch tu. Okay, next one.
Round and round the couch, Mr. Brown ran after the mouse.
Very good. Round and round the couch, Mr. Brown ran after the mouse. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this?
Then the little mouse hid behind a flower pot.
Very good. Then the little mouse hid behind a flower pot. Good job. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this?
Get the mouse growled, shouted Mr. Brown.
Very good. Get the mouse, growler, shouted Mr. Brown. Another 2 boxes. Good job, Zahra. Next, can you read this one? Oh, this one.
The growler ran after the mouse.
Growler ran after the mouse. Another 2 boxes. Alright, you've crossed the finish line. Good